Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Daily Podcast. My name is Sarah, and I'm really happy to be here with you today. This podcast is designed especially for English learners who want to improve their listening skills through natural conversation. Today, we're going to spend time talking about a full day in our lives, from the moment we wake up in the morning until we go to sleep at night. We'll share habits, thoughts, and simple experiences that feel familiar and relatable. Think of this as sitting with friends who are speaking clearly and calmly, giving you space to absorb the rhythm of English.
Hello, everyone. I'm John, and I'm excited to join Sarah in this conversation. Our goal today is to create a comfortable listening experience. We want English to feel alive and practical, not stressful or rushed. Daily routines are perfect topics because everyone has them, and learning to talk about everyday life gives you confidence. So as you listen, imagine these scenes happening around you. Waking up, moving through the day, relaxing in the evening. This mental picture helps language stick naturally.
Let's begin with the morning, that gentle moment when the world is still quiet. When I wake up, I don't rush. I like to lie still for a few seconds and notice my breathing. It helps me transition slowly from sleep to awareness. I stretch my arms and legs, feeling my body wake up. Then I sit up, open the curtains, and let sunlight fill the room. That light instantly changes my mood. It feels like the day is inviting me to begin with calm energy rather than urgency.
My mornings follow a similar rhythm, but I like adding a little movement right away. After waking up, I stand and stretch gently. I rotate my shoulders and take deep breaths. This simple routine prevents stiffness and energizes me. Then I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. Cool water is refreshing. It signals to my brain that the day has officially started. These small habits don't take long, but they create structure and clarity.
After freshening up, I walk to the kitchen. Morning silence is something I treasure. Preparing breakfast feels like a peaceful ritual. I usually make eggs or toast and brew a warm cup of tea. While eating, I don't rush or distract myself. I enjoy the quiet and think gently about the day ahead. Instead of worrying, I set simple intentions, maybe to stay patient, focused, or positive. That mental preparation influences how I respond to challenges later.
Breakfast is my moment to ease into the day. Some mornings I prepare oatmeal with fruit. Other days I choose yogurt and nuts. While I eat, I might listen to soft music or simply enjoy the quiet. I believe mornings should feel grounded, not chaotic. When the start is calm, my thoughts are clearer, and I carry that balance into everything I do afterward.
Getting dressed is more important than it seems. Choosing comfortable clothes affects how I feel emotionally. When I'm comfortable, I'm more confident. I've learned that rushing through mornings creates unnecessary stress. Instead, I move at a steady pace and remind myself that the day doesn't need to start with pressure. A smooth beginning sets the tone for everything that follows.
Before leaving home, I take a minute to organize what I need: my bag, keys, and essentials. That small habit prevents frustration later. Walking out the door prepared gives me a sense of control. It's a simple action, but it reduces mental clutter and keeps my morning flowing smoothly.
Commuting is a transition space between personal time and responsibilities. When I walk, I notice the air, the temperature, and the sounds around me. Observing small details keeps me present. Even a short walk helps clear my mind and shift focus towards the day's tasks.
Public transportation gives me time to settle mentally. Instead of scrolling endlessly, I allow my thoughts to organize themselves. Sometimes I reflect on priorities. Other times I simply observe people quietly. This mental buffer prepares me to begin work with clarity instead of stress.
Arriving at work, I prefer starting with simple tasks. Completing small responsibilities builds momentum and confidence. I check messages, organize notes, and plan my schedule. Structure makes the day feel manageable rather than overwhelming.
Breaking work into steps is essential. It transforms large tasks into achievable actions. I also prioritize friendly communication. A positive environment encourages collaboration and reduces tension. Even small interactions shape the workplace atmosphere.
Lunchtime is my reset moment. I step away from work and eat mindfully. Light meals help maintain energy without heaviness. Sometimes I step outside for fresh air. That short break restores focus and creativity.
Mental rest is just as important as physical nourishment. During lunch, I intentionally disconnect from work thoughts. This pause improves productivity when I return. Balance keeps energy consistent throughout the day.
The afternoon requires steady concentration. I focus on meaningful tasks and maintain a calm rhythm. Consistency prevents fatigue. Instead of rushing, I prioritize clarity and thoughtful action.
If my energy dips, I stand up and stretch. Movement refreshes circulation and sharpens focus. Small resets throughout the afternoon prevent burnout and keep motivation stable.
When work ends, there's a satisfying sense of completion. Returning home feels like stepping into a quieter world. I change into comfortable clothes and allow myself to decompress. This transition helps me separate work stress from personal time.
Evenings are about slowing down intentionally. I enjoy cooking, reading, or watching something light. Cooking feels creative and calming. It's a mindful activity that encourages presence.
Dinner is a moment of reflection. Eating without distractions allows appreciation for the meal and the day's experiences. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into meaningful ones.
After dinner, gentle routines prepare the body for rest. A warm shower, stretching, or quiet music signals that the day is winding down. These habits improve sleep quality.
Before sleeping, I think about one positive moment from the day. It could be a small success or a pleasant conversation. Acknowledging it encourages gratitude and peaceful rest.
Sleep restores energy and clarity. A consistent bedtime routine supports emotional balance and prepares us for tomorrow.
Daily routines may seem ordinary, but they shape our lives in powerful ways. When habits are intentional, each day feels purposeful and grounded.
And learning to describe these routines in English strengthens communication. You're not just learning words, you're learning to express your real experiences clearly.
We hope this extended conversation makes English feel approachable and natural. Everyday topics are powerful learning tools because they connect language to life.
Progress happens step by step. Listening to natural conversations builds confidence over time.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We truly enjoy sharing these moments with you.
Stay patient with yourself, stay curious, and continue your English journey.
We look forward to speaking with you again.
Until next time, goodbye and take care.